In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Telegram gift. First, let's quickly clarify what people usually mean when they say Telegram gifts, because that can refer to a few different things inside the app. In most cases, Telegram gifts are animated GIFs, special sticker-style GIFs, Telegram stars sent as support, or gift links shared by users, groups, or channels. So depending on what someone sends you, the way you receive it may look slightly different, but the general process is very simple. To begin, open the official Telegram app on your device. It's important to use the official app so you can access the latest features and make sure everything works as expected. Once you're inside Telegram, go to the chat or channel where the gift was sent. Look carefully through the messages for something that shows a gift icon, such as a present symbol or a star. When you find it, tap on the gift. Telegram will usually open a preview or confirmation screen. From there, tap Accept or Claim to receive it. If the option appears right away in the message, just tap it directly. Another common way to get a Telegram gift is from a Telegram Premium user. Open a chat with a friend and ask them to send you a gift, such as gift stickers or Telegram stars. If they send something eligible, a prompt will appear in the chat. When you see it, tap Accept Gift. Make sure you do this as soon as possible if it's time sensitive, because some special offers or links may not stay active forever. You can also get gifts by joining channels that offer rewards or giveaways. Open Telegram and use the search bar to look for channels that share gifts or giveaway opportunities. After you find one, join the channel and carefully read the instructions they post. In many cases, they may ask you to tap a Claim Gift button, join a related group, or send a message to complete the process. Follow the instructions exactly as written so you don't miss the reward. At the same time, be cautious and only join trusted channels, because fake giveaways and scam links do exist. If you want to buy a gift for yourself, go to Settings in Telegram. Scroll down until you see the option to send a gift, then tap on it. Next, choose the option to buy yourself a gift and browse the available gifts. Select the one you want. Keep in mind that you need Telegram stars to purchase a gift, so make sure you have enough before confirming. That's how to get a Telegram gift, whether you're claiming one from a chat, receiving one from a premium user, joining a giveaway channel, or buying one for yourself.